Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix ultra Snapchat lag on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library and go back, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and click on restart. After click on restart, after restarting you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. Click on Snapchat app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, click on storage. After click on storage, you will see your storage. So free up some space and you will see. After clean apps, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix ultra Snapchat lag on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.